Throw it the other way. Throw it back over this way so I can see you in the light. Bring it this way. Kitty goes and chases it. Shows Aiden where it's at. He goes and gets it and throws it again. Careful. You're getting too excited. Whoa. You maybe need to take your shoes off. Throw it down the hallway. Throw it down the hallway. No, that's not the hallway. Cat didn't go get it. Go show him where it's at. Where's your cat? How come you only got one shoe on? That's why you're tripping. Cat's hiding under the table. It's dark in here, Aiden. All right.